for your microphone check. It's loud and clear. So what does that just show us? It shows us that they're not doing 4 watts, doesn't it? Right, let's get to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, I'll plug my expansion squeaker in.
Roger that.
Can't speak today. Oh, which socket is it? That one. So this is the first of the sets that came out of that batch from Lancashire. As I said right from the beginning, we'll just go through these and sort them out what we can and stick them on eBay because they're all surplus to requirements. I just bought them.
Do let me know when you're ready.
Roger, I can be ready right now.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. So if you looked at the service video, basically it was changing 2 presets and cleaning the controls and then doing the tune-up. 3.2 watts on our test meter.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and there's no tone control on this one.
Roger.
But for people who like to know whether things are doing loads of watts, before we go over to our base station, we'll see what it's doing on the Zetagi power meter, which lies through its teeth.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Lancaster service station on 45.9, 54.9.
Roger on that. Well, it's got it open at this time.
But it's midday.
We are.
Is that the original mic with that set?
It's the mic we're putting to it. It came from Steve. I forgot to give it him back, so I just gave him a new mic instead.
I mean, it seems a little bit quiet to me, but that might be a way you're talking into it.
Yeah, deviation is definitely as max as we can do it legally over.
Yep, roger that. We're through Lancaster Crossroads, by the way. We've missed it because we're waffling.
Alright, roger on that.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I'm just going to swap for the standard replacement line like we always do on these tests.
Yeah, roger that.
Okay, now we're on the standard replacement mic over.
Yeah, roger that is better.
Yeah, I think these are a bit crisper.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, and that's off from SSC into turn. got you loud and clear.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger on that. Apart from some SSB interference, I've got you loud and clear.
And I'm on a Domico Convoy 1, which is one of the more unusual sets from 1981. It's 3.2 watts. And yeah, that's about it, David.
Yep, roger that. That's all received.
Roger, Dodger.
Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleaf's turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleaf's turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Right, so here we go. We're on this Domico Convoy. It's going 1.1 amp, and we are going to go to low power from 3.2 watts at the moment. Low power 54321, and low power is 400 milliwatts. The setting is low at 710 milliamps. Do that back to full power, and there we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, all received on both. A little bit noisy on low power, but there you go.
Yep, roger on that. Don't see much meter movement on receive, but I'll double check that with the test set later. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over all speed level crossing.
Right, petrol 145.9, diesel 154.9.
Roger on that. The squelch came in on the first one. Can you remember the first one again?
Yeah, 145.9.
Okay, Roger on that. Right, well that works fine. So we'll call it an end at that and man with those stars. Got over.
Yep, Roger, 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. I wonder if you've got a petrol price at that end for me, please, over.
That's petrol 145.9, diesel 154.9.
Roger on that. Miss Squelch came in on the first one. Can you remember the first one again?
Yeah, 145.9.
Okay, Roger on that. Right, well that worked fine. So we'll call it an end at that, and you can carry on with those tasks you've got over.
Yep, Roger, 10-10.
10-10. Okay, so we're getting SSB interference coming in. This is what really gets my wick. The whole idea, the channels for the UK CB system are on unique sets of channels, and all this SSB interference is illegal throughout the world. There's nothing authorised on those channels, so it is frustrating. What I'm going to do, in view of this set doing 3.1, 3.2 watts around that area on our Marconi test set. Now remember, our test set is selective, so it's only reading what's on 27 megs. So normal test meters, hobby type ones and beyond show everything. So we're going to start, before we go over to our base station, we're going to see what power is on transmit. We'll go back to channel 20, which is our center frequency, and we'll see what power it's doing on what. Oh, we've got 2 meters here. I'll tell you what, we'll start on the Zitagi one. This is a meter I bought brand new from the wholesaler, never been fiddled with, but Zitagi watts are usually pretty generous. So we've got dummy load in the back, which is the only way you can read it. You can't read it into an aerial, that's bull. So dummy load, we're on the 10 watt scale, and let's switch it on. And pick up the right mic. And it says here it's doing just under the 4 watts. So let me point this out. 1, 2, 3, and it's, if you were trying to get a reading, you'd be looking at 4.9. It's just actually increasing slightly to the 4. So you could say that was bang on the 4 watts. So now we're going to substitute it for another hobby meter, and this is just some random meter we use here to do. It's a Giessen SWR 200, which we use because it has a matcher built into it, and when we're doing the antenna warning indicators on radios like Midland 4001s and Maxcom 30Es, so we can set the SWR deliberately bad in order to set up those antenna warning indicators. So let's see how this one works. So you can put it into power scale, into the 10 watt range. That should be, I think that's where it needs to be. Let's see what that one says. So what we got? So this shouldn't have any effect, and it doesn't. So again, it's saying about 3.5 on that. So there you go. Out of interest, what would happen if we plugged the aerial in instead of the dummy load? This then means absolutely nothing because it's the wrong way to read it. So now, when we key it up, doing 5 watts into the aerial, it says, well, we're not. Right, we'll go to our base station and see what it sounds like on the standard replacement mic and the mic that we're going to be sending out with this set when we sell it on eBay.
Tango 21, testing the Domico Convoy 1 into our Midland base station 76900 using our standard replacement mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, pop it on to low power just in case there's a hump, and then we're on low power 400 milliwatts, and there we are back to normal power. So we'll just change over to the mic this set's going out with. Tango 21 now testing the radio with the Palmer